Ruto's legal team withdraws from Gachagua impeachment case. In a dramatic turn of events, lawyers representing President William Ruto on Thursday formally withdrew from the ongoing impeachment case involving former Deputy President Rigathi Gachagua. The case, which has captured national attention, saw Ruto's legal team, led by prominent lawyer Adrian Komotho Njenga, make a strong argument against the president's involvement in the proceedings. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Brovin Omondi. Appearing before a three-judge bench comprised of Justices Eric Ogala, Anthony Mrima, and Frida Mugambai, Njenga contended that the participation of the head of state in such legal matters was not only inappropriate but also legally untenable. He based his argument on a recent Supreme Court ruling that expressly prohibited the president from being enjoined in civil proceedings of this nature. In his submission, Njenga informed the court that they had already filed a notice seeking to withdraw President Ruto from the list of respondents in the case, where he had initially been listed as the sixth respondent. He emphasized that the move was in strict adherence to the Supreme Court's decision, which barred the president from being subject to such proceedings. My lord, with your kind permission, I wish to bring to the attention of the court that we shall no longer act for the sixth respondent in this matter, and to that effect, we have filed a notice to cease acting. This is in light of the Supreme Court decision that determined the president cannot be subject to civil proceedings, Njenga stated before the court. He further stressed that they could not act in violation of an express court order, reiterating that the legal notice submitted should be deemed sufficient notice that President William Ruto was no longer represented in the proceedings. We ask the court to recognize this as a sufficient notice that the person named as the sixth respondent is now unrepresented in these proceedings, he added. The legal withdrawal comes just days after the president, through his legal team, had vehemently protested the decision by the High Court to proceed with hearing the impeachment case. President Ruto had argued that the High Court lacked the jurisdiction to handle such a matter, asserting that the issue should be reserved for the Supreme Court. The petition herein, filed in this honorable court in clear disregard of the law, is a misuse of the due process of court and therefore cannot be countenanced or determined by this honorable court, read part of the official notice submitted to the court on behalf of the president. The impeachment saga unfolded after former Deputy President Rigathi Gachagua, who had been ousted from office, sought legal intervention to block the swearing-in of his successor, Kithure Kindiki. Gachagua had moved to court in an attempt to prevent Kindiki from assuming office as the new deputy president. In a significant development earlier this week, the High Court Judge Chacha Mwita issued conservatory orders halting Kindiki's swearing-in ceremony. Justice Mwita noted that the petition filed by Gachagua raised serious constitutional issues, which warranted further examination by a judicial bench appointed by Chief Justice Martha Koome. The judge explained that due to the gravity of the constitutional questions involved and the urgency of the matter, it was necessary to issue a conservatory order to prevent the immediate implementation of the Senate's decision to uphold the impeachment charges against Gachagua. Due to the issues raised and the urgency of the matter, a conservatory order is hereby issued, staying the implementation of the resolution of the Senate upholding the impeachment charges against the petitioner, Justice Mwita's court order read. As the legal battle over Gachagua'S impeachment continues to unfold, the case has raised important constitutional questions and thrown the political landscape into further uncertainty. With Ruto's legal team now out of the picture and Gachagua'S challenge still pending, all eyes are on the judiciary to provide clarity on the next steps in this high-stakes political drama. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more, don't forget to hit that like button, it really helps the channel out. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe and turn on that notification bell so you never miss an update. I've got plenty of exciting content coming your way, so stay tuned. And hey, if you found this video helpful, share it with your friends, it might be just what they're looking for. I appreciate each and every one of you for being part of this community. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one. I am your guy Brovin Omondi.